Hey everyone! Today we're making an amazing, super tasty, special bitter gourd recipe that you're going to love. Let's jump right in. As you can see, we have 1 kilogram of fresh, seasonal bitter gourd. We're also using 250 grams of juicy tomatoes, a little coriander, half a kilo of onions, and 350 grams of potatoes. Don't worry, we'll explain why potatoes are so important in just a bit. Preparation and cut. First, let's start cutting the vegetables. We've cut the bitter gourd in this special style. It's a unique twist that makes this recipe extra delicious. You're going to love it. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt to the cut bitter gourd and mix it well. Massage it gently for 5 minutes so the salt is fully absorbed. Then, let it sit for 30 minutes. This helps to naturally reduce the bitterness. After 30 minutes, drain the bitter gourd in a strainer and squeeze out the extra bitter water. Rinse them properly, it makes a huge difference in taste. Now chop the remaining ingredients. Finely slice the onion, cut small pieces of chopped tomatoes. Cut the potatoes into thin round slices. Take a pan and heat about 200 milliliters of oil. We'll fry the bitter gourd first. Keep it slightly soft for the best flavor. Once the bitter gourd is perfectly fried, set it aside in the same oil. Fry the potatoes until 90% cooked. We don't want them fully crisp yet. Drain the extra oil and leave about 100 milliliters in the pan for prepared spices. Making the spices, know for the magic, are spices. Fei cumin seeds, Fei 1 tsp Fei 2. Slice onions, Fei red chili powder. Fei 1 tsp Fei coriander powder. Fei 1 tsp Fei turmeric Fei 1. Half tsp Fei crushed. Red chili Fei 1 tsp salt Fei for 2 Fei 3 minutes. Then add 2 Fei 3 chopped tomatoes. Add a splash of water if needed to help the tomatoes melt perfectly. Add salt at the end and cover on low flame for 2 minutes to let the flavors mix. Add the fried bitter gourd and saute for 2 minutes. Now add the raw onions we saved earlier and cook on a slow flame for 3 Fei 4 minutes. Time to add fried potatoes. The potatoes help to reduce the bitter gourd's bitterness and make the dish extra delicious. Want it a little spicy? Add green chili. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. And there you have it. Our special bitter gourd recipe is ready. It looks amazing and the color is just perfect. Pro tips: soak bitter gourd in cold salted water to reduce bitterness even more. Adding raw onion at the end also makes it less bitter and more flavorful. Serve hot and enjoy this delicious, healthy, and unique bitter gourd dish with your family.